Hey everybody, here I am in Moscow, Russia, and I'm inside the Kremlin. I don't know who that was, but lots of people are taking his pictures and videos. So I don't know, maybe he's famous. So anyways, it's a very nice day. Just chilling out inside the Kremlin. And it's crowded. It's the middle of May. It's a nice day. Blue sky. Scattered clouds. Really nice day. It's cool. And sometimes it gets up to being warm. So, but I guess that's a typical May day, you know. May in Moscow. Half the month is cold. Raining. I was gonna say snowy, but nah. Raining, cloudy, and then the other half, well, it's like this. So, like I said, just kind of cruising around right now. It's really crowded. A lot of people are here today. Here because there's a lot of like monks walking around and just a lot of rich religious people. Just checking out my museum, well, my Kremlin map. All right, so let's walk around. Now this is the main courtyard right here. And the first place is this place right here. Ivan the Great Bell Tower. As you can see, there's a lot of religious people walking around right now. And yeah, it costs money to go inside all of these churches. I don't really want to go inside. It's interesting, but there's just so many people right now. And this is one of the cool churches here inside the Kremlin. So it's really windy. Right here.
Одна.
And yeah, there's a lot of cool things to see around here. A lot of nice things. And yeah, she's actually a very stunning woman. Wow.
То есть я...
Второе главное зачем?
I love Russia, especially in the springtime. Spring, summer, and fall. I love Moscow.
Одна тонна.
Они были сделаны на заводе Берда, о чем, собственно, написано. И год вообще 1835.
Those are some big balls right there. Okay, everybody. So, Ivan the Great Bell Tower, right here. One of the famous sites here in the Kremlin. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit, enjoy the sights.